Hello Asarians. In this video I will explain the basic difference between the class intervals. We have two different kinds of class intervals and how to solve if the class interval given is inclusive type of class interval, because already exclusive class interval problems we have already solved. So first, class interval is broadly classified into two types: inclusive, exclusive. Inclusive means upper limit of preceding class interval is not equal to lower limit of succeeding class interval. If you can observe the example, you can understand. See, this is my preceding upper limit, this is my succeeding lower limit. If you can observe, these are not equal, 20 and 21, which are not equal. In exclusive, difference is upper limit of preceding class interval is equal to lower limit of succeeding class interval. If you can observe, this is my upper limit and this is my lower limit. Both are equal. You can check for the remaining numbers also, 20 and 20, 30 and 31, not equal. So did you understand the basic difference between inclusive and exclusive? Inclusive is nothing but if upper limit of preceding is not equal to lower limit of succeeding. Exclusive means generally what we are solving till now, upper limit of preceding is equal to lower limit of succeeding. See, identification part is done. So we identified that suppose say let's our question has inclusive class intervals. Now the question arises for which type of questions we need to convert inclusive to exclusive. Exclusive and inclusive eppudu convert cheyam. Remember that. We only convert inclusive to exclusive. Already given exclusive, what manaki need enti further ga dani convert cheyalsindi avasram ledu. So if inclusive questions are given, we need to convert them into exclusive. But the question is when and where we need to convert it. Conversion is needed only for median and mode problems, which means what does this point says? For mean problems we need not to convert. Conversion is only required for median and mode. How to convert? Add 0.5 to upper limit and subtract 0.5 from lower limit. See, if I want to convert it into exclusive class intervals, what I need to do? Add 0.5 to upper limit and subtract 0.5 from lower limit. This is my lower limit, this is my upper limit, which means 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. 20 plus 0.5, 20.5. 21 minus 0.5, 20.5. 30 minus 30 plus 0.5, 30.5. 30.5, 40.5. Now see, the definition is same for exclusive and this example. See, for exclusive, what is the definition? Upper limit of preceding class interval is equal to lower limit of succeeding. Now it satisfies with the definition. See, upper limit of preceding to 20.5, succeeding lower limit is 20.5. So did you understand the basic difference between inclusive and exclusive and how and where we need to apply it? Yes. For this we'll solve a problem, then you'll understand how it doesn't affect mean problems. This is mean problem, it doesn't affect. See, if you can observe in the question, 52 and 53 not equal, 55 and 56 not equal, 58 and 59 not equal. Clear? So this problem I'll solve for you, then you'll understand how this class intervals variation will not impact my mean problems. Yes? Okay. First of all, for every problem what we need to do, we need to write class interval and frequency whatever given in the question. So this is my class interval, 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Now write the frequency: 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. After that, first thing what we need to calculate, mid value, xi. Mid value 50 plus 52 by 2. Answer will be 51. Next, 54. Can we apply the trick here? Because for entire class intervals my height is constant. So what is the difference between 54 and 51? 3. So I can add 3 and write the rest of the mid values: 57, 60 and 63. Clear? Yes. Next, see, whenever a problem is given and they are not mentioning which method you need to follow, what I suggest is do step deviation method. Why step deviation method? See, by looking at the method you find it complicated, but trust me, when you find the calculations part, step deviation method calculations are the simplest thing you can find from all the three methods. If you want to do, you can also you can also check by doing all three methods, and you can find the difference between the calculations. So now in this question I am solving by using step deviation method. For that, first I need to find a, right? So what is a? See, I need to eliminate first and last. Here I have odd number of observations, so I have only one number, so 57 will be my a. I need to find xi minus a to find di. So what is xi minus a? 57 minus 51 minus 6 minus 3, 0, 3 and 6. After that we need to find ui for step deviation. Di by h we need to do. So what is the height here? 3. 50 to 52. We need to count 50 also here, because it is not exclusive, it is inclusive. So by for finding the difference of height in this type of questions, we need to include 50 also. So if I include 50, how much height of what is the value of height here? 3. So minus 6 by 3 minus 2, minus 3 by 3 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now I need to find fi ui. Minus 2 into 15 minus 30 minus 110, 0, 115, 50. If I add all this, I will get 25. Summation fi ui. Now what is summation fi here? If you add, you will get 400. Now try to apply in the formula. What is my formula? A plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Substitute 57 plus 25 divided by 400 into height is 3. 25 ones, 25 eights, 400. 3 by 8 value you will get in decimal parts. So I am rounding off to 2 decimals, which means 57 plus 3 by 8 is 0.19. So what is my answer? 57.19. If you want to do it by using direct mean method or assumed mean method also you will get. చెప్పాను కదా నేను ఏ మెథడ్స్ మీకు ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ సింపుల్గా వచ్చేది చెప్తున్నాను. సి టేబుల్లో ఏముంది, యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ డూ. బట్ వైల్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ పార్ట్, if you have bigger numbers in this part, you will find it difficult to calculate it. మీకు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం కానీ, నాక్ ఆఫ్ చేయడం కానీ, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయడం కానీ ఇవన్నీ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. సో ఫర్ దట్ వాట్ ఐ సజెస్ట్ ఈజ్ when they didn't mention you which method to follow, do step deviation method. Very easy, because if you can see here, if you want to do direct method, what should I do? 15 into 51, 1 into 54 ఇవి సాల్వ్ చేసేసరికి మీకు సగం టైం అయిపోతుంది ఎగ్జామ్లో. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాం, సింపుల్గా ఐఎమ్ కన్వర్టింగ్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ further simplified values, and which as a result I am getting low and as possible as lower values in my FIUI. ఇక్కడ తక్కువ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేసరికి ఆటోమేటిక్గా అవుతుంది ఆన్సర్కి, అల్టిమేట్ ఆన్సర్ కూడా ఐ విల్ హ్యావ్ సింపుల్ వాల్యూస్. మీకు సింపుల్ వాల్యూ సపోజ్ 4/2 అడిగాను, యూ విల్ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ఆన్సర్ మీ 2 అని. ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆస్క్ యూ some 16892/32, అంతే ఫాస్ట్గా వస్తుందా మీకు ఆన్సర్? రాదు. నేను చెప్పే డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా అంతే. మీరు ఆ సెకండ్ దానికి వెళ్ళి మీరు దానికి మళ్ళీ కాంప్లికేట్ చేసుకుని, వాట్ డిడ్ ఐ సజెస్ట్ ఈ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ప్రాబ్లం మీకు సింపుల్గా తక్కువ టైంలో సాల్వ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే డూ దిస్ మెథడ్ అంతే. లేదు మీరు అది చేసుకుని చేస్తానే నో ప్రాబ్లం. నేను చెప్పేది మీ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ గురించి చెప్తున్నా అంతే. నేను క్లియర్ అప్ టు హియర్? ఎస్. బాయ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీడియో.